like all of my recording corrupted, so you just have that. Okay, so basically, I am in my school clothes. And we are just going to check out the new Animal Company update because I didn't do it yesterday. And also there's going to be another video today. So, I'm sick, by the way. So, yeah. Okay, so new logo. Not like rainbow canopy anymore. Whoa. Guys, I've already checked out the update. Just like not like... So let's go. Ah. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do the Tommy and It thing. I do not have an out.